Hello guys, today's vlog is all about the venue where the Super Bowl is going to happen. This is the home of the Atlanta Falcons. Let's take a look at what's inside the stadium. The stadium officially opened on August 26, 2017. Super Bowl will be coming to Atlanta, Georgia on February 3, 2019. Atlanta will host Super Bowl 53 with Los Angeles Rams versus New England Patriots. During our tour, our guide told us that this room is only for special people during the game. And what we are about to see here is the locker room of the football players. On this tour, they took us also on the field. And I just want to let you know that roof on the top is retractable. That ends our tour. Who do you think will win the game? Comment below.
Sa mga kapamilya natin na gusto talagang malaman kung ano yung mga tour sa Pilipinas o kahit sa ibang bansa, mag-subscribe lang kayo sa YouTube channel ng aking auntie si Elvis Family YouTube channel. Subscribe na.